Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Maurya. My name is Pawan Maurya. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru in fourth year. So the topic is local replication technology in the storage area network. So the topic is the introduction of the storage area network and local replication technology. Storage area network is a specialized network that provides access to consolidated block level storage. It enables the organization to centralize their storage resources and effectively manage data. Local replication technology allow for the creation of copies or a snapshot of data within the same storage device or system. This ensures data availability and enables efficient data recovery in case of failure. Storage area network and local replication are a crucial component of modern data storage infrastructure as they provide high performance, scalability, and reliable storage solutions. And by implementing storage area network and local replication technologies, organization can improve data accessibility, enhance data protection, and optimize storage utilization. And the traditional data replication method and the traditional data replication method is a disk mirroring is the process of creating an exact copy of data on a separate disk, ensuring continuous availability in case of failure. Red means redundant array of independent disk provides fault tolerance by combining multiple disks into a single logical unit, offering data redundancy and improved performance. Tape backup involves writing data to magnetic tape, providing a cost-effective and efficient way to store a large amount of data offline for the disaster recovery purpose. This these traditional methods are still widely used in various industries to ensure data protection, high availability, and reliability backups purpose. And the enhancing data availability. The enhancing data availability is a VMware vSphere replication enables synchronous replication of a virtual machine data in a virtualized environments. This technology enhances data availability and disaster recovery capabilities. It ensures that virtual machine data remains consistent across multiple locations. This replication solution provides efficient data protection and ensure business continuity. And the EMC recover points. EMC recover points is a solution that offers continuous data protection and remote replication capabilities. With the EMC organization can easily create local replicates of data to ensure data consistency. This solution help in the protection critical data by providing constant replication and data recovery options. EMC Recovers Point is an effective tool for organization looking to improve their data protection strategies. And the future trends in local replication technology. In the future trends in local replication technology is automation and the orchestration are becoming the becoming key feature in a local replication technologies, allowing for efficient and seamless data replication. Integration with the cloud is also to prominent trends, enabling easy access to replicated data from anywhere and facilitating collaboration. Enhanced data analytics capabilities in local replication technology offer valuable insight and improve decision making processes. This trend combined to create a more robust and efficient local replication solution. Empower. empowering organization with enhanced data protection and accessibility. And the implementation challenges in today's era. Performance overhead is a common challenges faced by the organization when the implementation implementing local replication technology. The additional processes required for the replication can impact the overall system performance. And the complexity is the another challenges organization may encounter while configuring and managing a local replication technology require specialized expertise and can be time consuming and prone to errors. And the cost is also a significant factor. Implementing local replication technology often involves investment in hardware, software, and ongoing maintenance, which can expensive for the organization with the limited budget. Considering the challenges, organization need to assess the trade-offs between the benefits of local replication and potential drawback in term of performance, complexity, and cost. Role of role of local replication technology. The role of local replication technology is a local replication technology play a crucial role in ensuring that the data is readily accessible when and where it is needed. By replicating data locally, organization can minimize the impact of network outage and delayed improving overall data availability. This technology also enhances disaster recovery capabilities by allowing for quick and efficient restoration of data in case of a system failure or a natural disaster. Furthermore, local replication technology contributes to the business continuity by reducing the risk of data loss and minimizing the downtime during the critical operations.